Hello Heavy Metal Maidens and Masters, I'm Heavy Metal Momma, and welcome back to my channel. Today it's another episode of Transformation Tuesday and we are going to be making Gothic Fascinators. But before we get to that, remember, like this video, comment down below if you want to discuss any of the things that come up in the make today. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and remember to hit that notification bell so you can find out every time I upload. Back to the make then. Today I thought I would make some little Gothic Fascinators. I wanted to have a go. I've tried little things before. For example, I made this clip, but I thought I wanted to make something a little bit more ambitious. So let's go ahead and watch the make. We have all my materials. We have a glue gun. We have some alligator clips, which we're going to use to secure them. We have some charms, a pen, normal scissors, material scissors, two different types of gross grain ribbon, some duct tape and some cardboard, some velvet, a mug to draw around, some little bat charms, some roses and a clothes brush. So I'm going to draw around the mug onto the cardboard using the pen, and I'm going to do it twice. I'm going to cut these out with the cardboard scissors. And now I'm going to cut a slit into the middle, so a radius as it were. And I'm going to use the duct tape to tape these together. I'm ever so slightly pulling them in so that you get a slight conical shape. You don't want a big conical shape, just an ever so slight cone to it. Maybe a centimetre, 2 centimetres. So I'm using the duct tape to secure that. I'm doing it to both circles. And now I'm going to duct tape both of those conical shaped circles together to make them nice and strong. I used a piece of old Amazon packaging because everybody has Amazon cardboard everywhere in their house. Right, now I've got this piece of velvet. I'm drawing around an old saucepan lid because it just happens to be the right size. I wanted it to be big enough so that it covers both the outside and the inside of the fascinator. Right, I'm covering the conical shape in glue from my glue gun, and now I'm sticking the velvet to it. I'm just gluing down all the edges to make sure it's really secure. And now I'm filling the inside, and I'm very, very carefully pleating it all round on the inside. And gluing it all down. As you can see now, you can't see any cardboard, and it's all glued down. I put a big blob of glue in the middle to secure it. Right, when that's dry, I've got large roses and small roses, so I've taken the centre out of one of the larger roses and then glued the outer petals from that rose to another rose so that it's got even more petals. And I've taken the middle of that rose and stuck it on the front. Now, I've got these bat charms that I got from Sainsbury's at Halloween last year. They're actually room decorations, you're supposed to hang them from the ceiling, but I've attached one of those onto the top of the rose, and then I've glued 3 smaller roses on each side. Now I've got the little charm, which is a bat with a skull on it, and I've put a blob of glue on the back of the bat and stuck the charm on. Now I've got the wide gross grain ribbon, I'm tying it in a bow. And then I have got some of the skinnier gross grain ribbon. I made that into much longer tendrils. I've got 2 pieces. I'm going to insert them through the knot in the bow so that you get 4 tendrils hanging down off the bow. Just tied the bow so that the tendrils are secured in the middle. And I'm just trimming up the edges of the ribbon. Now I put a big blob of glue behind that big rose and attach the bows. Now we need to add the alligator clips so that we can secure it to your head. I've put one at 12 o'clock, one at 6 o'clock, sorry, one at 12 o'clock, one at 4 o'clock and one at 8 o'clock. So that you can secure it in different places depending on where you want to put it on your head. And there is the finished fascinator. I made 3. I made a black and purple one, a black and black one and a black and red one. And here it is close up. As you can see, these little bat charms are lovely and fuzzy. I think they look really effective. A red, a black and a purple. And here it is in my hair. So you get a really good close-up of it. I'm really pleased with how they turned out.
considering I'd never done this before and I completely winged it, I think they came out really well. Obviously, I'm sure if you were doing this professionally, there are much more professional ways of doing this, but for me, figuring it out on my own, I'm really flipping impressed.
Well, Heavy Metal Maidens and Masters, what do you think? I am seriously pleased. They came out better than I was expecting. I really didn't realise how easy it was going to be. There's a few teething problems. The first one I made took a lot longer than the others, but I'm really pleased with them. I think they are very cool and I will definitely be making some more of them. So if you like that or you want to ask me any questions about how I did it, remember, comment below. I'd love to hear from you. You can watch some of my other transformations if you follow the card at the top or the links down below. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and remember people, stay heavy.